In today's video, I'm going to teach you to enable notifications on the Barclays app. By the end, you'll have alerts turned on so you can stay up to date with payments, account activity, and security messages as they happen. First, open your Barclays app and log in. Use your usual sign-in method, whether that's your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. If you receive a prompt asking whether you want to allow notifications, go ahead and accept it. This simply gives the app permission to send you alerts. If you don't see a prompt, don't worry, we'll turn them on from the settings inside the app. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap More. This is typically shown as the word More, or in some versions it may appear as 3 dots or lines. Tapping this will open a menu with additional options beyond what you see on the main dashboard. From there, select Settings. This is where you can manage how the app behaves, including security preferences and alerts. If your settings menu includes several sections, focus on the one related to notifications or alerts. Now, find the option labeled Enable Push Notifications and toggle it on. When it's on, the switch will usually change color, often to blue or green, and may slide to the right. Turning this on allows Barclays to send alerts to your device about things like transactions, card activity, and important messages. If you're asked to confirm notification permissions, choose Allow to make sure the messages can actually reach you. Next, make sure your device also allows notifications for the Barclays app in your phone settings. On most phones, you can do this by opening your device's settings, going to Apps or Notifications, selecting the Barclays app, and ensuring notifications are allowed. If there are options for banners, sounds, badges, or lock screen alerts, pick the style you prefer so you don't miss anything important. Keeping sounds or banners enabled can be helpful for time-sensitive alerts. And that's it. Your notifications are now enabled on the Barclays app. If you don't see alerts right away, give it a little time, check that you're connected to the internet, and verify that Do Not Disturb or Focus modes aren't silencing notifications. You can always return to the app's settings later to adjust your preferences as your needs change. Thanks for watching. With notifications switched on, you'll be better informed and in control every time something important happens with your account.